Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you how to make money online by selling art without having to draw anything. You might not need to open any software at all, and still be able to create art that you can sell on websites like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, etc. So how are we going to create this art if we are not going to draw anything? What we will be using to create the art is an AI built to generate art from text prompts. Art generated from AI is becoming more popular as time goes on, and as the AI keeps learning and evolving, the generated art will become more good-looking. The world of AI is ever growing, so if you want to stay up to date on all the new art generation techniques, you should watch this channel by the name of the AI Whisperer. He does have a lot of videos about generated art, and his videos are what inspired me to make this video, and try to find a way to use generated art in the world of print on demand and passive income. So definitely check him out if you want to stay up to date about AI art generation. In this video, I will show you a quick tutorial about how you can generate your first art piece. But before we begin, you have to know one thing. Generating art through AI is all about what text prompt you use and the keywords you use. There will be a link in the description box below to the Discord server run by the AI Whisperer, where you will be able to find many helpful tips and tricks posted by the community there. Make sure to check that out to learn about the different keywords and styles you can generate through AI. With that out of the way, let's now take a look at how you can create your art that you can sell. To use the AI generator, we will use a Collab notebook, which is a Google research product used to write and execute Python code in the browser, which makes it useful for machine learning and AI in general. You can find the link to the Google Collab in the description box below. Just click on the link and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. When you go to the Collab, the first thing you need to do is to run the first code blocks, which will download all the necessary resources and libraries needed for the generator to work. When it comes to models, we will be using ImageNet 16384 to save on time, but you can try all the other ones and see which one works best for you. After you have finished downloading the necessary packages, we can then move on to the fun part of this process, which is to enter the text prompts and prepare the settings for the art generator. For the text prompt, you can enter any phrase you can imagine and see what result you get. You should keep in mind that practice is king in the world of AI art generation, so don't be afraid of testing any phrase or keyword you think of. I will be using a simple word and adding by artist. You can add an artist name to get a result similar to his art style. There are a whole lot of other keywords that produce different effects, and if you want to learn about them, I suggest you join the AI Whisperer's Discord server for more inspiration. You can change other settings like height and width, but keep in mind that if you are in the free version of Google Collab, you might get the CUDA out of memory error if you set the resolution to a high number. You can also change the model you want to use if you ever want to use a different one. Interval images are how many images should be created or generated before you can see a preview of the result. By default, it's set to 1 image preview per 50 generations. As for the initial image and objective image, I will not talk about them in this video, but if you want to see a video where we use an initial image, make sure to leave a comment down below the video. For the seed, you can either leave it as -1, which is random, or you can enter a random number yourself. If you are wondering what the seed number is used for, if you generated an image and you like the art style, you can save the seed used for that generation and use it in the future. The max iterations are the number of images, or steps, an image takes before reaching the final version. You can leave it as -1 to run the art generator infinitely, and stop it manually when you reach an image that you like. After you finish setting up the art generator, don't forget to run the code block. And now you can run the art generator and start the generation process. After you leave the art generator running for a while, you can stop it whenever you feel like it. You can also save the image by right-clicking on it and clicking on Save Image As. And there you have it. Now you have an image that you can use as art in your print-on-demand business. So go out there and start generating some awesome art pieces. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that I helped you learn something new today. Thanks for watching.